If you're a life insurance agency owner doing at least $300K per month in team production, your whole entire growth right now is dependent on one thing and one thing only. And you already know what it is, right? It's whether you post it today or not, whether you hit the DMs if you're working, or whether you got time tonight to scroll through some resumes. And my friend, that's not a system, because that's costing you tens of thousands of dollars in production every single month that you should already have. So let me put this number in perspective for you. A single top producer that puts up 30K per month in production is roughly about 7K that flows right to you in your bank account for overrides. And every month, if you're missing 5 producers because your recruiting pipeline is unpredictable, you're losing 5 producers, and you're losing 420K in monthly production over the next 12 months. And that compounds, right? Most agency owners think that the answer is to just post more content, work harder, or hire another setter or Indeed or something like that. And that couldn't be further from the truth. The harder you push on social to hop in DMs, the more fragile it becomes. Because the second that you stop, you find out that your recruiting pipeline actually dies. And so here's what we do. Over the next 30 days, we'll install a done-for-you recruiting system inside your agency, one that adds $30,000 a month in team production, filling your calendar with qualified pre-sold recruits on Autopilot. No more posting content, no more cold DMs, no more job boards, no more resume hunting. So if you're serious about scaling your agency from the current glass ceiling that you're at and stop being burnt out, then pay attention. And here's what's actually happening right now. You've boosted posts, you've burned money, you got nothing to show for it. You tried job boards, you got flooded with unlicensed people just wasting your time. You've built funnels, you've hired VAs, you've tried agencies with the same result. It's a broken pipeline. And you're still standing there, jumping between appointments and calls, in and out your car, doing appointments and recruiting calls. And the second that you stop, everything stops. And that's the problem. You don't actually have a recruiting strategy. You have a dependency problem. And it all compounds every single week that you don't have a real system. You're losing production, you're losing momentum, you're losing your position in the marketplace. And I get it, right? To build something like this, you gotta learn paid ads, you gotta learn funnels, ad copy, CRMs, follow-up conversions, while running your agency and leading a team and then trying to close business. That's not realistic, bro. That's why you can't never fix your agency. So here's why I'm speaking on this. Over the last 3 years, we've helped generate over $100 million in issue paid business, working with over 1,200 agencies. And I've seen exactly where agencies break, because I'm the king of leads. And after watching this same problem over and over and over again, I finally built a system that fixes it, and we install it. And when we installed it, and one of my clients, Angel, like that, he got 8 new recruits without having to do any of this stuff himself. Just the system installed, 30 days, 8 licensed recruits. No job seekers, no bodies, no warm bodies, no producers. And that's what a real system does. It doesn't just push people, right? It pulls them in. So here's what happens when we work together. I'll fix your recruiting so that it actually converts. I'll build the funnels, the landing pages, the automations, the CRMs, the follow-up, so that every recruit is pre-qualified before they ever hit your calendar. I'll handle the scripts, the ads, the creatives, the targeting, 100% done for you. I'll run and manage the entire thing so you don't have to touch the tech side at all. I'll optimize it, the bookings, the show rates, the qualified calls, everything. 100% for you, that's it. 30 days, guaranteed 30 calls, or you don't pay. And that's not a guess, that's track record. $100 million in issue paid, 1,200 agencies, Angel, 8 recruits in 30 days. And so if you're tired of chasing and want to start attracting and stop getting losers and start getting A players, this is a system that's built to recruit already licensed, pre-sold, qualified killers. And if you're wondering if I'm gonna disappear after it's set up, I don't. I stay, I run, and I manage the system for you. I optimize it, I do it all. And that's why you can get a guarantee of 30 qualified booked reps every single month, because this is a machine. And here's what you need to understand. Every week that you wait, you fall behind, and it compounds. Other agencies that are installing the system are running circles around you, and you getting left behind. They're scaling, and you're stuck maintaining. Click the link below, book a call. We'll audit your recruiting system. We'll show you exactly where it's broken, and we'll map out what you need to install. And worst case, you spend 30 minutes with me and you walk away with the growth plan that you can implement. Best case, you're a perfect fit. We start building your recruiting engine, and then the day we hang up, you're off to the races. Either way, it's a win-win. Click the link below to get details and pricing.